Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to customize the quick access toolbar in Microsoft Word 2016. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to customize the quick access toolbar. In this document, go to the file menu, then go to the option menu and go to the customize ribbon. Otherwise you can go to the customize quick access toolbar option, then customize the ribbon, check mark on the open, and we can see here added the open icon. Otherwise you can check mark off the undo or redo. And we can access the quick access toolbar. To use this quick access toolbar, go to the file menu and open the option. You can edit any, click the add option. Otherwise you can remove, click the remove option, then click OK. Now we can see we customize the quick access toolbar in this Word document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.